Good morning, Ka-Captain Ping. It's Saturday and welcome to my day 16 of 100 jumping jacks for 45 days challenge. Wala tayong pahinga, pero okay lang yun. Importante nag-exercise tayo. Okay? And work later. Kaya tara, make sure ha, na kapag stretching kayo, Sis Ann, Mami Awi, Shawi, si Saraba for sure graduate na yon. And classmate Noel, classmate Dennis, get well soon sa Vertigo mo. Na-miss ko na makita yung yung mga action mo dyan. Alright? May pakanta-kanta ka pa, may pasayaw-sayaw ka pa. Okay? Okay, let's do the challenge! Alright, madali lang to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, halfway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. O, diba? Dali lang. Woo! Diba? Lasig lang. Basta day 16 na. Power! Good morning. Have a happy weekend, mga Ka-Captain Ping. Pick up with the glory. Mwah!